Unless the mind is controlled and concentrated, our mental powers will be frittered away, or else our minds will get submerged in torpidity. A life of self-restraint is imperative to building up mental energy for useful work.
Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it. Dream of it. Live on that idea.
Welcome our respected young participants. Welcome to Youth Talk, venue Swami Vivekananda Ancestral House. Our great master, Swami Vivekananda, emphasized extremely on self-knowledge, on self-realization, on unfoldment. As per him, he stated that life is a journey. Life is a continuous process. Swami Vivekananda emphasized in a big way, emphasized highly that life is a continuous process of unfoldment and development. So life is a continuous process of unfoldment and development. Unfoldment means that it's within us. We got to manifest it. We got to bring it out. That is it. That we must search ourselves. We must search our self-identity and self-image. That's the most important aspect. Self-identity and self-image. If we can really fix up, if we can really concentrate, as well as if we can really consciously observe our own self-image and self-identity, that's more than enough to some extent. Because that self-identity, whenever we are creating our own identity, self-identity, we are actually programming our subconscious mind. And that self-identity helps us to perform in a much better way, because that self-identity programs our subconscious mind and it works naturally. Just my respected young participants, just think with a calm mind, with a stable mind. What is life? Just try to think, what is life? Life is nothing but a series of changes. There will be number of changes. That is life. Life is nothing but a beautiful journey, a unique journey. All of us, me, everybody, all of us are unique beings. We are all unique, as well as we are all interrelated with one another. So each one of us happens to be part of their unique journey. We are actually part of our unique journey. So life is a unique journey for each one of you, for each one of us, as well as for me, it's a unique journey. So that is it. So if life happens to be just a unique journey, so what is the most important aspect of that unique journey is unfolding oneself, because everything is within us. The journey of unfolding, that journey, what is referred as life is a unique journey, that journey is not from one area from another area. No, that journey is not from some time from one time to another time. It is no. The journey is within, drilling down oneself. That is the journey. Each day we are unfolding, and each day we are trying to unfold ourselves. That is the journey. That journey, unfolding oneself, the journey of unfoldment, the journey of realizing, the journey of feeling the intrinsic values, the journey of drilling down oneself, the journey of introspecting oneself. That is the journey. Extensive and intensive self-observation is required. That is the journey. That is the uniqueness of this journey. This journey is nothing to do with area, geography, as well as time. It is not at all. So life is a series of changes. How well we are gelling with this change, that is it. And it is all about unfolding, and it is all about developing each day, slowly developing each day and unfolding each day. So all the dimensions which actually extremely important, all the faculties which are actually extremely important for developing or for positivity, those dimensions are actually within us. So positivity is within us. We are born with it. That's why our great teacher Swami Vivekananda stated that life is a continuous process of development and unfoldment, and we need to remind ourselves each and every time, we need to remind ourselves, we need to talk with ourselves in a positive mode, and we must remind ourselves that we need to unfold. Everything is within us. We are that. Everything is within us. Happiness is within us. Concentration is within us. Patience is within us. Extreme willpower is within us. We need to unfold it. The positive thought process, the positive reminding must be towards that area. Unfolding. We must remind ourselves that please unfold. Please try to unfold. At least for a few minutes in a day, we must try to unfold. We must try to think about oneself. That is the most important aspect of positive thought process. Reminding oneself that just spend time with oneself. Reminding oneself that we need to unfold, we need to concentrate on ourselves. Extremely, that is most important. So some of the main areas, those areas are extremely important, like self-image, self-identity, and self-discipline. What is this body actually? Just think with a cool mind. What is this body actually? This body is nothing but a machine through which we are expressing ourselves. This body is food accumulated. Have you just think? We had a banana, we had a bread, we had a mutton curry, and that food transferred into this body. So what is this body? This body is only food accumulated. It's food accumulated means this body is just a loan from our Mother Earth. We are taking a loan from our Mother Earth for developing this body. It is food accumulated. So we got to show the gratitude. We must politely say, we must politely remind our conscious mind that thank you for cooperating. Thank you for cooperating. We tend to think that this body is us. No, this body is not us. I am not going detail into the concept of Advaita Vedanta. I am not going into that. But just think calmly. Just think calmly. If this body is not cooperating with us, will it be possible for us to express ourselves, to perform at the highest level? No way. So we must show gratitude. We got to show gratitude towards society, towards our own body, and we got to remind ourselves. So these are the very important areas where we need to highlight, where we need to remind ourselves. Because those things are the most important things. Regarding self-identity, we got to remind ourselves each and every time, actually. We got to remind ourselves that we are Amritasya Putraha. That is our identity, children of immortal bliss. We are children of immortal bliss, Amritasya Putraha. We are, the reality of our nature is Satchidananda. These are all identities, self-identity. In our Vedic age, these things are repeated to create, to search our self-identity, Amritasya Putra, Satchidananda, as well as our another biggest identity is Aham Brahmasmi. It is one of the Mahavakya, and that is actually our self-image, our self-identity, Aham Brahmasmi. But we so many of us, we used to get the information. It may be a beautiful information, but we used to get the information just like information. No, we got to remind each and every time, whatever information we are receiving about our self-identity, about our self-image, we got to remind each and every time that you cannot be limited. You cannot be limited, because your entire reality is part of energy, is part of cosmos. We are Amritasya Putra. We are Satchidananda. We are Aham Brahmasmi. We got to remind each and every time. Then only we will be able to unfold ourselves. That extreme power which is within us, then only we will be able to unfold that power. That is so much important. That is so much important. Reminding each and every time. Reminding each and every time. And if we really want to counter our negative thought process, our negative inner chattering, our negative conversation, then we got to remind these things, because these are very positivity. These are very positive attitude within us. So we got to concentrate about our self-identity, because those things are within us. That's why our great teacher Swami Vivekananda emphasized on unfoldment. Life is a continuous process of development and unfoldment, because those things are within us. We got to manifest it. We got to manifest it. We got to unfold those dimensions in us. We are part of the entire cosmos. We are Satchidananda. We are Amritasya Putra. We are Aham Brahmasmi. So thank you very much, my young participants. And just believe, we all are part of this highest energy. We are all Aham Brahmasmi. We are all Amritasya Putra. We are all. Just try to realize it and nothing else. Thank you. Thank you.
All power is within you. Preach unto mankind their divinity and how to make it manifest in every moment of their life. Believe in that. Do not believe that you are weak. Stand up and express the divinity within you. All power is within you.